You know that feeling when dinner should have been done 20 minutes ago, but your oven's still preheating? Yeah, we've all been there. That's exactly why air fryers have taken over kitchens. They're not just mini ovens anymore. They're smarter, faster, and built to replace half the appliances on your counter. From dual-zone systems that cook 2 meals at once, to portable glass-based models that look like something out of a sci-fi movie, this year's lineup is seriously next level. Don't forget, all the product links are right below in the description, so you can check them out while you watch. Let's dive in. Number 5. Ninja DZ550 Foodi Dual Zone Smart XL. 2 meals, 1 timer. Cooking for a crowd usually means juggling batches, timers, and cold sides while the main course cools off. The Ninja DZ550 Foodi Dual Zone Smart XL says, not anymore. This monster packs 2 independent 5-quart baskets that let you cook 2 completely different meals at the same time. Chicken in one, fries in the other. Both done together, perfectly timed. Its smart cook system includes an integrated thermometer that automatically adjusts heat for ideal doneness, from rare to well done. No guesswork, no overcooking. The Smart Finish feature syncs both baskets so everything lands hot on the table at once, while Match Cook copies settings across both zones for max capacity. And it's big, a full 10-quart capacity, enough for 8 pounds of wings or a whole chicken with sides. The IQ Boost system optimizes power between baskets, so even if you're not using both, you're still getting peak performance. If you're hosting family dinners or game nights, this air fryer feels like having 2 ovens in one box. The only trade-off? It takes up more counter space. But when you can feed everyone in one go, it's worth it. Number 4. Ninja Crispy 4-in-1 Glass System, the Portable Power Pod. Most air fryers look like big, bulky boxes, but this one? It looks like something out of a futuristic cooking show. The Ninja Crispy 4-in-1 is one of the most innovative designs this year. A compact, glass-based air fryer system powered by the Crispy Power Pod. Don't let the size fool you. It cooks like a full-sized unit. It comes with both a 6-cup container for small batches and a 4-quart bowl for family meals. One's perfect for solo dinners or lunch prep. The other can handle a 4-pound chicken without blinking. What's cool here is the use of clean, crisp glassware. Totally non-toxic, dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and yes, even freezer safe. You can cook, store, and reheat all in the same container. It handles max crisp, bake, air fry, and re-crisp functions. The essentials, and does them shockingly well. Food comes out evenly golden, never overdone, thanks to the PowerPod's precise heat flow. And because of its fixed heat-safe base, you can place it directly on granite, quartz, or laminate without worrying about scorch marks. The only real downside? Its smaller form means less space for multiple dishes at once, but that's the trade-off for true portability. For dorm rooms, RVs, or minimalist kitchens, this little machine punches way above its size. Number 3. Cosori TurboBlaze 6-quart, the Speed Demon. If you've ever waited for frozen wings to thaw just to get soggy results, the Cosori TurboBlaze is your new best friend. This air fryer lives up to its name with TurboBlaze technology, spinning a 3600 RPM fan that blasts heat evenly through every bite. Translation? Ultra crispy outside, tender inside, in record time. It's got 9 cooking modes and a temperature range from 90 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can bake, roast, dehydrate, or reheat without touching your oven again. But what really sets it apart is the premium ceramic coating on the basket and tray. Non-stick, durable, and completely free of harmful coatings. You get the crisp without the chemicals. Another underrated win? It's whisper quiet, under 53 decibels even on full blast. You'll barely notice it's running while your kitchen smells like a restaurant. The 6-quart square basket fits a full family meal while saving counter space. Perfect for small apartments or anyone tired of bulky appliances. If there's one small catch, it's that the digital display feels a bit basic compared to pricier models. But for under $100, the cooking performance more than makes up for it. This is the set it and forget it air fryer that never disappoints. And if you thought that was good, wait till you see what Instant has been cooking up. Number 2. Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart Clear Cook, the transparent time saver. You ever open your air fryer mid-cook just to check if it's done and end up resetting the timer? The Instant Vortex Plus fixes that forever. With its clear cook window, you can actually watch your fries crisp up in real time. No interruptions, no lost heat. It's oddly satisfying. This 6-quart powerhouse combines 6 core functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, all inside a sleek black shell that feels more like a modern appliance than a countertop gadget. Instant's signature Even Crisp technology drives hot air top-down for that deep-fried crunch with 95% less oil, meaning you can finally enjoy fries that feel guilt-free but taste anything but. It's got 6 customizable presets, so if you always make the same go-to meals – chicken wings, sweet potato fries, roasted veggies – they're literally one touch away. And cleanup? The baskets and trays are dishwasher safe, so there's no awkward scrubbing or soaking. If we had to nitpick, it's not the biggest fryer on this list, but that 6-quart capacity still handles meals for a small family without breaking a sweat. So if you want speed, visibility, and flavor without fuss, this is the one to start with. Number 1. Ninja Double Stack XL DCT601, the future of air frying. At number 1, it's not just an air fryer, it's a full-on kitchen revolution. The Ninja Double Stack XL takes everything great about the DZ550 and goes vertical, literally stacking 2 full ovens in one footprint. This thing uses dual-zone Smart Finish tech to sync both independent ovens, meaning you can bake salmon on top while air roasting veggies below, and both finish at the exact same time. Its Flavor Seal technology keeps aromas completely separate, so your cookies won't smell like garlic chicken. That's a huge deal if you cook multiple dishes back to back. The Flex Door design lets you open just the top for a quick snack or the full door for a complete 2-zone meal. Inside, you've got 12 cooking functions, from baking and roasting to dehydrating and whole roasting, all powered by precise airflow and Ninja's high heat elements that hit up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And the size? Massive. You can fit 6 pounds of wings, a 4.5-pound chicken, or a full family-sized sheet pan meal without crowding anything. The only con? It's pricey and a bit heavy, but it's replacing 2 ovens, so that's a fair trade. This is the air fryer for people who want restaurant-quality cooking without ever turning on their real oven. So, which one's your pick? If you want all-in-one convenience and compact power, the Ninja Crispy is hard to beat. If you're after total versatility and dual-zone genius, the Double Stack XL is the new gold standard. All the models featured in this video are linked right below, so you can check out the latest deals and full specs for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which one you'd bring into your kitchen. Stay crispy, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.